is a video about how to set your goals and why you should set your goals. Basically, I have heard many times in my life like set your goals. It's important to set your goals, but I never knew how to set your goals. And most importantly, why should you set your goals? Because it's exactly like after researching a lot and reading a lot of books, I understood that the about goals is like you know what you want in your life when you set your goals and work for it. Because when you don't have a specific set of goals, you never know what you really want in your life. Because we might want multiple things in our life, but we never prioritize what exactly we want within what the time span we want. We just keep imagining that we really will be achieving in some time, and it just goes. So basically, we need to set our goals to get rid of the regret we have in the future. Imagination. So while setting goals, many of them will be mostly focusing on logically, because some people will feel like consider now when the 12th standard examination results are out, the students mostly focus on the rank, like how their future will be like. If they don't get good marks, they will keep assuming that they will never get a good job opportunity, something like that. So it's like don't go logically, always have a imagination. Let your imagination grow, and let you have a good image of yourself. Learn to uh, understand or have a good understanding about what you really want in your life. Like might be a startup, or have a good job with 40 to 50 lakhs of package as a fresher, or do something like imagine. It's like this is a great quote from Albert Einstein: logic will take get you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. This is one of the things I really love, and I have been implementing in my personal life as well. So goal versus wish. There are many people who will be assuming that a wish is equal to goal. What is difference between goal and wish? Say for example, my goal is to get into a good tier A company, like say assume Google, Microsoft, Amazon. So if you don't work for your what you want, it will be just a wish, like daydreaming and assuming that without doing any hard work you will be getting into such companies. Those are the wishes. What is exactly goal? Like where you wanted to go. Say for example, a tier 1 company. Say I wanted to get into Google, then I'll break down my goal and then start taking steps. So that's the difference between goal and wish. And everybody wishes, everybody will have a wish, but only a few percentage of people will have goal, and they strive hard for to get there. And how should you set your goals? It should be smart. What is smart is it's an acronym for this. S stand for specific. Like I mentioned, if you are a student, you will definitely want to be in a good position in your life. So specific goal is like you wanted to be in some particular position. Say you wanted to be a software engineer or a machine learning engineer, something like that. Be specific about what you really want in your life. So specific in the sense, as mentioned, have one particular thing you really want. What is measurable? Like say you cannot say that yeah, you should be able to measure your goal, right? Because if you can't measure your goal, you will never know till where did you achieve, or what extent you need to work hard for further to go there. Achievable. Say you being here in India, or some particular citizen of something, you will never have something like I'll become god or I'll become US president. Such things are not achievable goals. So you should have a goal which is achievable and relevant. See, you need to have relevant goals. Meaning, you being an engineering student, you should not have something. Uh, some You should be relevant time based, you need to have a time limit for your goal, because if you don't have time limit, you will never achieve it, because you keep saying I'll achieve in some particular period of time. Now, always have these three in your mind while taking any decision. See, now, as of now, you understand that what is a goal, and what is exactly how to have your goal, like smart, using smart technique. Then you should have three different things in your mind, like short term goal, mid term goal, and long term goal. Short term goal is like you that is achievable in 1 to 2 months from now. Midterm goal is like it will be achievable in 1 or 2 years from now, and long term goal will be achievable in 5 years. But understand that your short term goal should be in sync with your midterm goal, and your midterm goal should be in sync with long term goal. That's how you progress. Don't have varied goals, like your short term and midterm, all these goals should be in sync. And what you do know, as you know how to set your goals and what you really want, do it now. Start doing anything right now. So take a piece of paper, always write your goals. And now, next, learn skills. What are the skills you need to achieve your goal? And maintain a scorecard. What is scorecard is like, basically we enjoy games because we score the highest, right? So maintain a scorecard and beat yourself. Like for example, if you have achieved, say for example, a day is considered as 100%, then for example, if you have achieved something for 10% today, you need to beat yourself by achieving more, like 20% tomorrow, 30% day after tomorrow, something like that. So, and one more thing, don't ever underestimate the power of consistency and small step. What is consistency? Consistency is doing regularly. What will happen with consistency is like it will develop a pattern in your brain, and which helps you do it very, your way to your towards your goal will be very smooth. Small changes don't take a lot of pain at once. If you are able to take it, you can take it. But if you are okay, like if you want to really start small, nothing wrong in it, because small changes will give you huge results. Like see here, the consistency plus small change is equal to the huge result. Because see here, if you observe here, we are just making 0.1%, just 1% of daily more effort is leading to 37% more than what we can achieve in one day, like 1 year. So think of something like, if you are working this like this for 2 to 4 years, then you can achieve more than 100 if you can work for more than 3 years, you will be able to achieve, but you will become the better version of yourself by 100%, 100 times better than yourself. So understand this. Okay. So what if you don't understand all this? Like you really don't exactly know how to set your goals or do something. If you still don't understand how to set your goals, do what exactly others have done to achieve same goal. Like for example, if you wanted to get into a tire company, just make sure that see someone who have done that and just replicate them. That's it. Yeah. Thank you for listening to my video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.